Welcome to this comprehensive guide where you're about to discover how to start a lash business in the USA in 2024. With the beauty industry booming and lash extensions becoming increasingly popular, there's never been a better time to jump in. And the best part? We're here with a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through this exciting journey, from market research to customer acquisition. So, without further ado, let's dive straight into the steps to start your own lash business. Don't forget to check the link in the description box below. Step 1 in our guide is conducting thorough market research. This vital step is like a compass, guiding you through the vast wilderness of the eyelash extension industry. It helps you understand who your target audience is, what they want, how much they're willing to pay, and who else is offering similar services. Start by examining your potential clients. What are their needs and preferences? How often do they get their lashes done? Next, turn your gaze to your competition. What are they doing right? What could be improved? How are their prices structured? Remember, every piece of information you gather is a beacon, illuminating the path to success. It's not just about following trends, but about understanding the dynamics of the market. With a clear understanding of the market, you can create a business plan tailored to your market's needs and preferences. Armed with this knowledge, you're now ready for the next step on this exciting journey. Next, you'll need to create a detailed business plan. This is the blueprint of your lash extension business, a comprehensive document that outlines your vision, goals, and strategies. It's not just a requirement for securing funding, but it's also your compass in the entrepreneurial journey. Let's begin with the business model. In essence, this is the skeleton of your business. It defines how you'll create, deliver, and capture value. For a lash extension business, think about the services you'll offer. Will you focus solely on lash extensions, or do you plan to offer related services like lash lifts, tints, or even training courses? What pricing structure will you use? The answers to these questions will help shape your business model. Next up is your marketing strategy. This is where you outline how you're going to attract and retain customers. Will you rely on social media, word-of-mouth referrals, or partnerships with other local businesses? Maybe you'll use a combination of all three. The key here is to understand your target audience and find the most effective ways to reach them. The third component of your business plan is financial projections. This is where you crunch the numbers. You'll need to estimate your startup costs, such as leasing a space, buying equipment, and marketing expenses. Then, forecast your revenue for the first few years, considering factors like your pricing, the number of clients you can realistically serve, and the frequency of their visits. This exercise will help you identify profitability and cash flow trends. Lastly, don't forget to include a contingency plan. This is your plan B, what you'll do if things don't go as planned. Because let's face it, in business, they often don't. Having a contingency plan shows that you're prepared for potential challenges, whether they're market changes, operational hiccups, or financial setbacks. A well-structured business plan not only helps in attracting investors, but also in guiding your business towards growth and success. So take your time, do your research, and craft a business plan that truly reflects your vision for your lash extension business. Now, let's discuss the legal aspects of starting a lash business, beginning with forming an LLC. Forming a limited liability company, or LLC, is a crucial step in legitimizing your lash extension business. This business structure provides a number of benefits. First, let's talk about credibility. When you form an LLC, you're showing your clients that you're serious about your business. It gives your lash extension business a professional aura, setting it apart from hobbyists or informal operations. Your LLC status will be a badge of trust for your clients, assuring them that they're in good hands. Next, an LLC protects your personal assets. In the unlikely event of legal issues or business debts, your personal assets, such as your home or personal savings, are sheltered. This means that only the assets in your business can be used to pay off business debts. It's a safety net that provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus on growing your lash extension business. Finally, there are tax advantages to forming an LLC. As an LLC, you're not taxed at the corporate level. Instead, profits and losses pass through to your personal income without facing corporate tax rates. This can potentially save you a significant chunk of change in the long run. So, how do you go about forming an LLC? It's easier than you might think, especially with the assistance of companies like Tailor Brands. They can guide you through the process, handling the necessary paperwork and ensuring everything is set up correctly. This leaves you free to focus on what you do best, creating stunning lash extensions. Remember, forming an LLC is more than just a legal hoop to jump through. It's a declaration of your commitment to your business and your clients. It's a shield that protects your personal assets. And it's a strategy that can save you money on your taxes. Forming an LLC provides credibility, protects personal assets, and offers tax advantages. It's a wise move for any aspiring lash extension entrepreneur. Next up, obtaining an employer identification number, or EIN, and the necessary licenses. This is a critical step in establishing your lash business. An EIN is essentially your business's social security number. It's used by the Internal Revenue Service to identify your business for tax purposes. Without it, you can't hire employees, open a business bank account, or even file business tax returns. Now, getting an EIN is a straightforward process. You simply apply through the IRS website. It's free, and you get your EIN immediately after your information is validated. However, if you prefer a hassle-free approach, consider using a service like Tailor Brands Company. They can handle the EIN application process for you, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. But an EIN isn't the only thing you need. You also need the right licenses to operate a lash business. The specific licenses required may vary from state to state, but generally you'll need a cosmetology or esthetician license. This is to ensure that you have the necessary skills and knowledge to safely and effectively apply lash extensions. How do you acquire these licenses? Well, it typically involves completing a state-approved training program and passing an examination. Some states may also require you to complete a certain number of hours of hands-on training. It's advisable to check with your state's cosmetology board for specific requirements. In addition to a cosmetology or esthetician license, you may also need a general business license. This is a legal requirement for most businesses, regardless of their industry. Again, the process for obtaining a business license varies by state and can be facilitated by services like Tailor Brands Company. Remember, operating without the necessary licenses can lead to hefty fines, or worse, the closure of your business. So it's essential to ensure you're fully compliant with all legal requirements. An EIN and the required licenses are crucial to operate your lash business legally. With these in place, you're one step closer to launching your dream lash extension business. With the legal aspects covered, let's talk about setting up your workspace. This is where the magic happens, where you transform ordinary into extraordinary, where you turn dreams into reality. First, let's consider the location. Ideally, your workspace should be in a calm and quiet area, free from distractions. It needs to be easily accessible for your clients, but also have enough privacy to maintain a professional atmosphere. Remember, this space is a reflection of your brand, so choose wisely. Next, let's talk about equipment. The right tools are crucial for delivering high-quality lash extensions. You'll need a comfortable chair for your clients, a sturdy table for your supplies, good lighting, and of course, your lash extension kit. Invest in quality because your work is only as good as your tools. Now, let's not forget about the ambiance. Your workspace should be clean, organized, and inviting. Soft, relaxing music can help create a soothing atmosphere. Consider adding a few personal touches like plants or artwork to make the space feel more welcoming. And of course, hygiene should be your top priority. But above all, your workspace needs to be functional. It should be designed in a way that everything you need is within arm's reach. This not only saves time, but also makes the process smoother for both you and your clients. A well-set workspace not only enhances your work efficiency, but also provides a comfortable experience for your clients. Finally, let's touch on marketing and customer acquisition. In the digital age, social media marketing is a game changer. Harness the power of platforms like Instagram, where visuals are key. Post before and after photos, host live Q&A sessions, and collaborate with influencers to expand your reach. Don't underestimate the power of the word of mouth. Referrals can be a goldmine for your business. Implement a referral program that benefits both your current clients and their friends. Discounts, too, can attract new customers. Consider offering a first-time customer discount or a loyalty program for repeat customers. Remember, marketing isn't a one-size-fits-all. You must tailor your approach to your specific audience, your brand, and your goals. Test different strategies, evaluate their effectiveness, and adjust as necessary. Effective marketing strategies are the lifeline of your lash business, driving customer acquisition and retention. That brings us to the end of this step-by-step guide on starting a lash business in the USA. We've covered everything from conducting market research, crafting a business plan, forming an LLC with the help of Tailor Brands, obtaining your EIN and licenses, setting up your workspace to marketing and customer acquisition strategies. Every step is crucial in the journey to building a successful lash extension business. Remember, starting a lash business can be a rewarding endeavor with the right planning and execution. Good luck with your lash business journey.